What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on a U-part wig and also how I style it. So let's get into the video. I'll make a wig out of it since it's really good hair. I do not remember where I got this hair from, so once I figure it out I'll put it in the description box down below and you can go check it out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I used a regular wig cap, and then I sewed in combs since it is a U-part wig, so I'll be having leave out. So this is my hair, and when you see me looking over here, it's since there's a mirror. I'm in my bathroom, so welcome to my bathroom. I have my hair just freshly washed and blow dried. I'm gonna do a side part. So what you're gonna need is, of course, your wig. So some edge control. I use 24-hour edge tamer, the purple one, and I also like the black one. And then just a toothbrush, comb, part your hair, a bigger comb in the instant you want to comb out the curls, and then a wig brush. This is optional. And then also a flat iron and a curling iron, or you can use whichever one. I sometimes curl my hair with my flat iron, however I won't be doing that today. I'll be curling my hair with a curler, and I'll just be using the flat iron to straighten my natural hair just so that I can curl it, since normally I use a hot comb to straighten my natural hair. So we're going to start by making your part. So I kind of want my part deep, so I'm just going to do like the side part, and I'm gonna go like this, and you can make your part however far you think you want it. So I think this is good enough for me, and then I'm just gonna box it off kind of. So this is where I would put my part. We gotta blend this, honey. We do not want weave track showing. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna braid it up. So then I'm going to take, leave out here, just my edges. Actually, I don't want to take so much of my edges. I really want as little bit of edges as possible. So I'm going to go like this. This is all going to be braided up. And I'm just going to go ahead and just braid this. This is what you should have. You have your 2 or 3 braids. Let me turn my phone on. And then we have the rest of the head. Okay, so I'm gonna start. I like to have braids here so I can have something for my clips to attach to. I'm gonna take here and go all the way back. Okay, now this half in the ponytail. And I'm gonna part my hair. We're just gonna take another rubber band or clip and just go like that. And we're gonna start braiding. Okay, so this is my third braid, and I wanted to show you guys how you connect the braids like this. So I'm braiding it down, this braid, braiding it down. Take this braid and connect it, or I hold it with my index and my thumb with one of the strands, and then you just basically add it into the braid, and then you continue braiding down with it in one of the strands. And then you just continue braiding all the way down. And you keep the pattern going with each braid. So the next braid I do, I'm going to take this strand and bring it up and braid into the next braid. And I'm going to keep on going until I'm all the way done with this side. And then I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm braiding this side. Now, I'm gonna take so I braided it so that I can hook them here and here. I'll take my wig. Okay, so now I'm just taking out the braids that I was doing, or that I did already previously in the beginning of this video. I had recorded this talking, however I was talking so quiet so you weren't really able to hear me. So yeah, I'm just taking off braids, and this is going to be my leave out portion, so the part that I'm going to be using to cover up my my tracks, or the part where you can distinguish the weave from my real hair. Best believe, honey, it will be invisible right after I slay this leave out. Okay, so here I'm just telling you guys what my flat iron was on. It was on 450 degrees. So I'm grabbing some heat protectant just since your girl is natural and I don't want any heat damage. That is the keratin flat iron spray. I'll put it right in the image just so you can see. And then there is some oils that I mixed up. I do not remember what oils it was. It was just some hair oil. I think it was maybe jojoba and vitamin E. and I just mix them up in the bottle. So I'm just applying both of those to my hair, spraying them on my hands first, and then applying them both to my hair just to avoid heat damage. Okay, so this is the part where in the instant you have a hot comb, and you have natural hair, use your hot comb to hot comb your hair first. I have really thick hair since I'm natural, so I normally use a hot comb to hot comb my leave out first, and then I just use the curler to curl it. However, since I don't have a hot comb today, I'm just going to be using my flat iron as a hot comb just to get my hair straight first before I start the curling process. Okay, so when you're done flat ironing or hot combing your hair, I'm just gonna now comb it out and blend it in with the weave. So I'm taking down the ponytail and combing everything, mixing everything in, making sure that there are no tracks or anything showing, and making sure it looks as real and as natural as possible. Okay, so when I curl my hair, I like to split my hair in half down the middle, and I like to curl one side going one way away from my face and the other side going the other way away from my face, just so that my curls can flow nicely. And you'll see that more when you see how I'm curling, so that's what I'm showing you with my hands. So I'm just combing it out, and I'm going to show you guys how to use a flat iron and how to use a curling iron. So this is how I use a flat iron. You just put it on there, straighten it out, and twist it as you're pulling it. That was a fail. We're going to do it again, alright? Twist it, hold on to the piece, and just pull it down. And then, boom, you have a curl. So that's an option in the instant you do not have a curling iron. Now I'm going to show you how to curl with a curling iron in the instant you have a curling iron. Okay, so I'm just going to take the curling iron, I'm going to straighten it just like I did with the flat iron, and then I'm going to start to twist the curling iron and make room for the rest of the hair while opening and closing the flat iron. I don't know whether this is making sense, however, you should be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm opening and closing it just to make sure that all the hair is fitting in there. Then I'm going to let it sit for a little bit just so it can soak up all the heat. And then I'm going to release it after it's sat for about 10 seconds. And you have a curl. So I'm just going to continue this with my whole head with the curling iron. In the instant you have the flat iron, feel free to use the flat iron for the rest of your head.
For some reason, when I'm curling my hair, I feel like I need to use 2 hands. I don't know why. So the camera had died, so I took a break to charge it. However, I really wanted to get back on here just to show you guys how I curl this last little piece, like the bang portion.
Okay, so I finished curling most of my hair, and I just wanted to come back on here just to show how I curl like the very top or the bang portion of the hair, just for a final finale of how to get that curl to actually frame your face. So this is what I do. I just take the bang and I just curl it, like I said, going away from my face.
Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, turn on your post notifications so you know when I post. And also, in the instant you're wondering where this shirt is from my clothing line. I will put more information about how you can purchase one down below in the description box as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!